Hello! Have you ever wondered how to keep track of all the comments you've left on YouTube? In this video, we'll show you exactly how. Launch the YouTube app on your mobile device. On the YouTube homepage, tap on You, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on View All in History like I'm showing it on the screen. In the opened history window, click on the Action menu button in the top right corner as I'm showing. Then select Manage All History. In the opened window, first select Interactions, and then tap on Comment Likes and Dislikes. That's it, you can see all your comments. I really hope this video is interesting for you. Stay tuned and don't forget to like it. Thank you for watching.